What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this drop shadow effect within Davinci Resolve and to get these clean black borders around your text. So let's jump into it. So we got this same clip on DaVinci just without the effect. So the easiest way that you guys can do this is making sure that you have your effects tab open, then coming over to open effects. Once you're in open effects, scroll down to just about the bottom, and then under this resolve FX stylize tab, you can see drop shadow. Then in order to get this on your text, you're simply going to drag and drop onto whatever text you want. Now, in order to get this nice black edges around your text, I actually went and put 7. The more you put on, the darker it will get. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag this 7 times. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I got 7 on there. Once you have all 7 on there, you can go ahead and go to drop shadow. I'll start with the first one to make this easy. What I like to do is drag my shadow strength all the way up, drops distance all the way down, and blur on 25-ish percent. We're going to do the same thing through and through on all these. It doesn't have to be exact. As you can see, that black border is starting to come into effect a little bit more and more every time. Boom. Now, as you can see, we got that black border around the edges on this one. And you can go ahead and do the same exact thing on your other text if you have more than one text. Boom. And that's how you do a drop shadow effect within DaVinci Resolve. If you guys got something out of this, make sure you guys smash that like and subscribe button. Leave your comments down below of what you guys would like to see more of. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.